Hi, this is Nature Cop. Just reminding you to recycle your drinks. You can recycle your drinks by pouring it into the ground. Grows trees. See? Just a friendly reminder from Nature Cop. What else did we learn in the forest today? When you use Purell or sanitizer gel, always pour it on the trees afterwards, like this, and rub it in. It will grow big one day. It will have a top. This one's only 20 months old. I can tell because there is no top to the tree. What else is there in forest nature? Well, this is Nature Cop signing off.